Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of language and discover the subtle differences in words. In today's video, we will be diving into the intriguing topic of the difference between toilet and toilette. These two words might sound similar, but they actually have distinct meanings. So, let's unravel the mystery and explore the nuances of these terms. Let's start by understanding the meanings of each word individually. Firstly, toilet is a noun that refers to a fixture used for sanitation purposes, often found in bathrooms. It includes a bowl and a flushing mechanism, which allows waste to be disposed of in a sanitary manner. The word toilet can also refer to the room itself, where the fixture is located. On the other hand, toilette is also a noun, but its meaning is quite different. Toilette is derived from the French term toilette and it refers to a person's personal grooming or getting dressed. In the context of personal care, toilette encompasses activities such as washing, dressing, and grooming oneself to present a neat and tidy appearance. Now that we have a basic understanding of both words, let's highlight the key differences. Functionality: toilet primarily refers to the sanitary fixture used for waste disposal, whereas toilette focuses on personal grooming and getting ready. Usage: toilet is commonly used to describe the specific fixture or the room where it is located. On the other hand, toilette is often used in a broader sense to refer to personal care activities. Context: toilet is typically used in casual or formal settings to describe bathroom facilities, while toilette is more commonly used in formal or literary contexts to emphasize personal grooming routines. Let's look at some examples to illustrate the correct usage of these words. Excuse me, where is the toilet? Here, toilet refers to the bathroom or the fixture used for sanitation purposes. She is taking a long time to do her toilette. In this sentence, toilette refers to the process of personal grooming and getting ready. Could you show me to the toilet facilities? In this instance, toilette is used in a more elegant or formal setting to refer to the bathroom facilities. It's worth mentioning that the word toilette also has a historical significance. In the past, it referred to a specific room or a dedicated space where people used to groom themselves and get dressed. Nowadays, it is less commonly used in this specific historical sense. In conclusion, the difference between toilet and toilette lies in their meanings and usage. Toilet refers to the sanitary fixture or room used for waste disposal, while toilette encompasses personal grooming and getting dressed. Understanding these distinctions will help you use these words correctly in various contexts. And that wraps up our in-depth exploration of the difference between toilet and toilette. We hope this video has shed light on these two seemingly similar words and helped clarify any confusion. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more linguistic wonders. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy language learning!